there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
The champions of the 2023 FIDE World Rapid and Blitz Championships were Magnus Carlsen and Valentina Gunina. Magnus Carlsen, the Norwegian chess grandmaster, claimed his 5th World Rapid Chess Championship title during the tournament. He also secured his 7th World Blitz title, marking his 17th world crown. Valentina Gunina emerged as the World Blitz Chess Champion in the women's category. It's remarkable to see these players showcase their exceptional skills and strategic thinking on the chessboard. Their achievements in the championships are a testament to their dedication and talent. Congratulations to Magnus Carlsen and Valentina Gunina for their impressive victories. Step into the world of chess grandmasters with our exclusive coverage of the 2023 FIDE World Rapid and Blitz Championships closing ceremony. This video captures the intense emotions, the triumphant victories, and the heart-touching sportsmanship displayed throughout the event. From the nail-biting final matches to the joyous award ceremony, we bring you up close and personal with the champions and the challengers. Witness the crowning of the world's best rapid and blitz chess players, and hear their thoughts on the tournament, their strategies, and their journey to the top. Plus, get a glimpse of the behind-the-scenes action, the camaraderie among players, and the sheer love for the game that transcends borders and languages. Whether you're a chess enthusiast or new to the game, this video is a must-watch. Join us in celebrating the grand finale of one of the most prestigious events in the world of chess. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting chess content. The results and details of the women's section of the 2023 FIDE World Rapid and Blitz Championships can be found on the official website of the championships. You can visit the following link for more information: Results Women Blitz, FIDE World Rapid and Blitz Chess Championships 2023. On the website, you will find the pairings, results, and standings of the Women's Blitz Chess Championship. It's a great resource to stay updated on the performances of the top women chess players in the tournament. Please note that the website provides comprehensive information about various aspects of the championships, including live updates, media coverage, news, videos, and more. Feel free to explore the different sections to dive deeper into the world of women's chess in the 2023 FIDE World Rapid and Blitz Championships.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel.
In a display of exceptional skill and strategic prowess, Magnus Carlsen and Valentina Gunina emerged as the champions of the 2023 FIDE World Rapid and Blitz Championships. Magnus Carlsen, the renowned Norwegian chess grandmaster, added to his illustrious career by securing his 5th World Rapid Chess Championship title and his 7th World Blitz title. These victories further solidified his status as one of the greatest chess players of all time, with a total of 17 world crowns to his name. Valentina Gunina showcased her remarkable talent and determination, claiming the title of World Blitz Chess Champion in the women's category. Their achievements in the championships serve as a testament to their unwavering dedication and exceptional talent. Congratulations to Magnus Carlsen and Valentina Gunina for their impressive victories. Before the 2023 FIDE World Rapid and Blitz Championships, Magnus Carlsen had already won 4 World Rapid Chess Championship titles. With his victory in this tournament, he added a 5th World Rapid Chess Championship title to his remarkable list of achievements. Magnus Carlsen's dominance in rapid chess is truly remarkable and a testament to his exceptional skills and strategic thinking on the chessboard. Magnus Carlsen, being one of the strongest chess players in the world, faced tough competition from several formidable opponents in the World Rapid Chess Championship. Some of his toughest competitors in the tournament could include players like Hikaru Nakamura, Maxim Vachier-Lagrave, Levan Aronian, Jan-Krzysztof Dudar, and Vladislav Artemiev.
Hey there.
These players are renowned for their exceptional chess skills and have consistently performed at a high level in rapid chess tournaments. Matches between Magnus Carlsen and these talented players are always highly anticipated and fiercely contested, showcasing the intense battles that take place on the chessboard. Thank you all for watching, especially Team Premier, Chef Janik Travel, and Dina Almert. Your support means a lot and I appreciate you taking the time to tune in.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.